A bowl full of comfort. Dive into the world of lentil soup. There's nothing quite like a warm bowl of lentil soup on a chilly evening. It's the ultimate comfort food. Lentil soup is a hearty and flavorful dish, perfect for those seeking both nourishment and deliciousness. This recipe is easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners. It's also budget-friendly, packed with protein and fiber, and naturally gluten-free and vegan. Get ready to warm your kitchen and your heart with a pot of homemade goodness. This recipe is a keeper easy, healthy, and delicious. It's a great way to use pantry staples, and it's super versatile. You can adjust the spices and veggies to your liking. Get ready for a flavor-packed journey. Lentil soup is not just a meal, it's an experience. It brings people together, creating moments of joy and warmth. From red to green to brown, lentils come in many varieties, each adding a unique texture and flavor to your soup. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. As the soup simmers, the flavors meld together, creating a rich and satisfying dish that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for loved ones, lentil soup is a dish that shows you care. Feel free to get creative with your ingredients. Add your favorite vegetables, spices, and herbs to make it your own. Serve it with crusty bread or a fresh salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Each spoonful is a delightful blend of flavors and textures, making every bite a pleasure. The aroma of lentil soup cooking on the stove is enough to make anyone feel at home, so dive into the world of lentil soup and discover the comfort and joy it brings. Happy cooking. Lentil lineup. Choosing the perfect bean for your bowl. There are different types of lentils, each with a unique texture, flavor, and cooking time. Understanding these differences can help you choose the perfect lentil for your dish. For this recipe, we'll be focusing on brown and green lentils. These two varieties are versatile and bring a lot to the table. Brown lentils are the most common type you'll find in stores. They have a mild, earthy flavor that complements a wide range of ingredients. They hold their shape well during cooking, making them perfect for soups and stews. Their ability to stay intact adds a delightful texture to your dishes. Green lentils, on the other hand, have a slightly peppery flavor. They hold their shape even better than brown lentils, which makes them ideal for salads and side dishes as well. Both brown and green lentils are excellent choices for this soup. They provide a hearty texture and rich flavor that will elevate your dish. Red lentils cook much faster and break down into a puree. This makes them great for soups that need thickening or for making creamy dishes. But they are not ideal for this recipe where we want the lentils to hold their shape. Black lentils, also known as beluga lentils, hold their shape beautifully and have a rich, earthy flavor. However, they require a longer cooking time, making them less ideal for this quick and easy recipe. Remember, for the best texture and flavor in this soup, brown or green lentils are your go-to choices. They will provide the perfect balance of hardiness and taste, ensuring your soup is both delicious and satisfying. Lentils are incredibly versatile and nutritious, making them a staple in many kitchens around the world. Whether you're making a hearty soup, a refreshing salad, or a comforting stew, choosing the right type of lentil can make all the difference. So, next time you're at the store, take a moment to consider which lentil will best suit your recipe. With the right choice, you'll be able to create a dish that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Happy cooking and enjoy your perfect bowl of lentil soup. Stocking the pantry, ingredients for a soul-satisfying soup. Let's gather our ingredients. For this simple yet flavorful lentil soup, you'll need olive oil, onion, carrot, celery, garlic, dried thyme, dried oregano, vegetable broth, brown or green lentils, bay leaf, and salt and pepper to taste. You probably have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. Grab your favorite pot. The bigger, the better, and let's get cooking. From pot to plate. Your step-by-step guide to lentil soup heaven. Today we're diving into the world of lentil soup, a hearty and nutritious dish that's perfect for any season. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this guide will walk you through each step to create a bowl of comfort and flavor. Now for the fun part, let's cook. Follow these simple steps. First, saute the veggies. This is where the magic begins, as the vegetables release their flavors and create a delicious base for our soup. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Olive oil not only helps to cook the vegetables, but also adds a rich, smooth texture to the soup. Add the chopped onion, carrot, and celery. These three vegetables, often referred to as the Holy Trinity of cooking, form the foundation of many soups and stews. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the vegetables to release their natural sweetness and become tender. Next, spice it up. Add the minced garlic, thyme, and oregano. These herbs and spices will infuse the soup with a depth of flavor that's both aromatic and savory. Cook for another minute until fragrant. This short cooking time ensures that the garlic and herbs release their essential oils without burning, enhancing the overall taste of the soup. Then, it's time for lentil love. Lentils are not only packed with protein and fiber, but also cook relatively quickly, making them a perfect ingredient for a weeknight meal. Stir in the lentils, then pour in the vegetable broth. Add the bay leaf. The broth will provide a rich, savory base, while the bay leaf adds a subtle layer of flavor that ties everything together. Now, it's simmer time. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, season and serve. Discard the bay leaf. Season the soup generously with salt and pepper to taste. Don't be afraid to adjust the seasoning to your preference. A well-seasoned soup makes all the difference. Ladle the soup into bowls and serve hot. You did it. This is the moment you've been waiting for. A steaming bowl of homemade lentil soup ready to be enjoyed. You've made a delicious and healthy lentil soup. Now, wasn't that easy? Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor each spoonful. Bon appetit. Section 5. Flavor Burst. Tips and tricks for a tastier soup. Here are some simple ways to elevate your lentil soup from simple to sensational. First, a veggie boost. Add other veggies like chopped zucchini, bell peppers, or spinach during the last 15 minutes of cooking. Next, lemon zest. For a fresh citrusy kick, stir in a teaspoon of lemon zest along with the herbs and spice it up. A pinch of red pepper flakes adds a touch of heat. Finally, garnish game. Top your soup with a dollop of plain yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Cooking is all about having fun in the kitchen. Section 6. Beyond the bowl. The amazing health perks of lentils. Lentils are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, they offer a wide range of health benefits. Protein power. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a great option for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Fiber-rich. The high fiber content in lentils aids digestion, keeps you feeling full, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Mineral powerhouse. Lentils are rich in iron, potassium, and folate, which are essential for energy production, muscle function, and cell growth. By enjoying a bowl of lentil soup, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Section 7. Leftovers. Love storing and reheating your lentil masterpiece. This recipe makes a generous amount of soup, perfect for enjoying as leftovers. Here's how to store and reheat your lentil soup. Storing. Let the soup cool completely. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheating. Reheat the soup on the stovetop over medium heat, stirring occasionally until heated through. You can also reheat individual portions in the microwave. Lentil soup actually tastes even better the next day after the flavors have had a chance to meld. Section 8. A soup for everyone, embracing the versatility of lentil soup. This lentil soup recipe is incredibly versatile. Here's how to customize it. Dietary needs. It's naturally gluten-free and vegan, making it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences. Flavor adventure. Experiment with different herbs and spices like curry powder, cumin, or smoked paprika. Texture play. For a thicker soup, use an immersion blender to partially blend some of the soup. Get creative and make this recipe your own. Section 9. Last spoonful. Why this lentil soup recipe will become a family favorite. This lentil soup recipe is more than just a recipe. It's a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients transformed into a comforting and flavorful dish. It's easy to make, budget-friendly, and packed with nutrition. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey, this recipe is sure to become a household favorite. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and experience the joy of creating a delicious pot of lentil soup that will warm your heart and nourish your soul. Enjoy. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.